Hello YouTube. This video I'm going to show you how to install Windows 8.1, and I was having an issue when I was upgrading the system. So I click accept, custom. So the error I was getting, Windows can't be installed on this drive. Then if I try to create a new partition, it will refuse to create a new partition. And if I read this error, it says Windows cannot be installed on this disk. Select the disk that has MBR partition. So it needs to be converted. So when you are using Windows 7, this is what happened. So in this case, I live booted with Linux, so I did a backup. So what you do after backing up your data, you delete all the partitions, and to come when it is one, then you click new and apply. It's going to format the hard disk and then to create a new format that it wanted to create. So here it is safe to install Windows. Then if you click here, you can even click next. So in our case here, I'm going to click next to install. Then I'll go and shrink the partition in the way that you can create a drive D. So this is the quick tutorial to show you how to do this. I had this problem, then I figured out that I can use a live boot with Linux Ubuntu. Then I save my data to an external hard drive. Then I can come back here to install the Windows the way it wanted. So this happens when your computer has been using Windows 7 and it has never got any installation of any other Windows. So I hope this is helpful. So I'm going to pause so it has reached 96%. Then the computer will reboot, then to start installing the Windows properly. So when you reach here, you click use express settings. So it has finished installing. When we go to personalize, go add this. So it has finished installing. This is Windows Embedded 8.1 Industrial Pro. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my video for more, so that I can create more videos like this. Thanks. Goodbye.